Ravenclaw. Blue Beetle Ravenclaw. Superman Gryffindor. Members of Gryffindor are meant to be extraordinarily chivalrous, and Superman is often referred to as the Big Blue Boy Scout. Clearly, the two are practically made for one another. Few fictional characters are more heroic than Superman, so who better to represent the same house as Albus Dumbledore, Neville Longbottom, and Harry Potter himself? Supergirl Hufflepuff. Placing Kara Zor-El in the same house as her more famous Kryptonian cousin is tempting, but Supergirl actually belongs in Hufflepuff. The fact that she's so willing to stay in Superman's shadow, despite her considerable abilities, demonstrates the Hufflepuff values of dedication, patience, and loyalty. If anyone is more honest and kind than Superman, it's Supergirl, and her treatment of others would make any Hufflepuff proud. The fact that it took Kara so long to become a prominent character proves she's grounded and unlikely to put herself in the spotlight, both of which are Hufflepuff traits. Martian Manhunter Ravenclaw. Ravenclaws are often characterized as being so obsessed with knowledge and intelligence that they lose touch with their humanity, so it makes sense that a non-human character would end up in the house. Martian Manhunter values logic and understanding above all. Jayons possesses a genius-level intellect and photographic memory, so he would easily obtain the high grades that Ravenclaw expects, and then some. Not to mention he'd probably be decent at Quidditch. Batman Slytherin. Some fans may scoff at the idea of Batman, the most popular superhero in the world, joining the same house as Lord Voldemort and Draco Malfoy. But Harry Potter readers will be the first to point out that not all Slytherins are evil. Slytherins value cunning and resourcefulness more than anything, and given that Batman is known for being prepared for any situation, he would definitely receive high marks. The Dark Knight has also been known to cross ethical lines in the name of practicality. In yet another parallel, Bruce Wayne built a Batcave under his mansion, and Salazar Slytherin built the Chamber of Secrets beneath Hogwarts. The Flash Hufflepuff. Barry Allen's overall do-good nature may lead some to sort him into Gryffindor, but Hufflepuff is where he truly belongs. Hufflepuffs are generally upstanding citizens who value fair play and patience, and the Flash is likely the superhero who treats his opponents with the most care and empathy. He seems to truly believe that anyone can be rehabilitated, a distinctly Hufflepuff line of thinking. Hufflepuffs place a high degree of importance on hard work, and given the amount of calories he burns while using his powers, the Flash is arguably the hardest working Justice League member. Cyborg Ravenclaw. Being a Ravenclaw is all about intellect, something Cyborg has in spades. Since his mind and much of his body have been replaced with technology, Cyborg is a walking, talking supercomputer, which would make him an incredibly valuable Ravenclaw asset. Ravenclaws focus on the pursuit of knowledge and intelligence, sometimes to the point of emotional detachment, an issue that Victor Stone has dealt with since the incident that launched his superhero career. Some of the best wizard inventors have belonged to Ravenclaw, and Cyborg frequently creates new gadgets to aid the Justice League, often from his own body's components. Wonder Woman Gryffindor. Wonder Woman was raised from a young age to represent the best qualities of humanity. which makes her a natural Gryffindor candidate. Although chivalrous might not be the most obvious term to describe Wonder Woman's personality, she is an exceptionally kind individual who has dedicated her life to aiding those in need. Wonder Woman, as a true hero and feminist icon, has demonstrated ample daring and nerve throughout her superhero career. However, despite her virtues, Diana of the Messira loves an occasional scrap, like many Gryffindors.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.